Situation number 1. Buying bits and bobs, where bits and bobs mean small items of various kinds. Sarah, the owner of a small local store. Mark, a supplier representative.
Hi, Mark. Thanks for coming in.
Good to see you, Sarah. What can I get for you today?
Well, I need a bit of a mixed order this time. I'm running low on a lot of those little things my customers always ask for, the bits and bobs.
Oh, the essentials. Let's go through what I have in stock.
Perfect. First, I need some batteries. A good selection of AA and AAA. Maybe 5 or 6 packs of each?
Got it. AA and AAA batteries. 6 packs each.
Great. And then, I need some super glue. Just the small tubes. I usually sell about 10 a week.
Super glue, 10 small tubes. Easy. Are you happy with the brand you got last time?
Yes, that one was fine. Now, I also need some small picture hooks and nails, just the assorted boxes. Can I get 4 boxes of each?
Picture hooks and nails, 4 assorted boxes of each. All noted.
Almost done. My stationery section is looking a bit bare. I need about 20 small notebooks and maybe 15 pens, the basic black or blue ones.
Notebooks, 20, and basic pens, 15. Anything else, Sarah?
Just one more thing. Do you have any of those small, colorful keychains? The novelty ones sell quite well.
Yes, I have a new range. They come in a mixed box of 50.
Wonderful. I'll take 1 box of those keychains, please. That should cover it for my bibs and bobs this week.
Excellent. I'll process this whole order: batteries, glue, hardware, stationery, and keychains. I can have it delivered by Wednesday morning.
Wednesday works perfectly. Thanks, Mark.
My pleasure, Sarah. See you next week.
Situation number 2. Buying store items like bread, milk and chocolates. Leo, the shop assistant. Maria, the customer.
Hello.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Mostly, yes. I have the milk, just the small 2-pint bottle.
Perfect. And what about bread? I see you have a loaf of wholemeal.
Oh, wait, I picked up the wrong one. My family prefers the white sliced bread. Do you still have any left?
Let me check. We just put out a fresh delivery. Yes, here's a fresh loaf of the thick cut white.
Excellent, thank you. I'll swap that.
Here, the word swap means to exchange. So, Maria hands the shop assistant the wholemeal loaf and takes the white loaf.
No problem at all. So, that's the white bread and the milk. Anything else today?
Just a small bar of that dark chocolate by the till, please.
Okay, your total is 200 rupees and 50 paise.
Here you go.
The phrase, "here you go," is a friendly, informal expression used when handing something to someone or providing something they've asked for. It's a way of saying, "here is what you wanted," or "this is for you."
Thank you. Here is your change and your receipt. Have a great day.
You too, Leo. Bye.